Hi, I'm Nathan from Step Up Salsa, and today I'm going to try and stitch together 3 of the moves from our previous tutorials. We're going to do a Suzy Q, followed by a grapevine, followed by a flare. Okay, if you don't have these tutorials, I suggest you look back for a back catalogue, learn the moves individually, and then try to stitch them together like this. We start on 1 with the Suzy Q, stepping across with the left. 1, 2, 3, across on the 5, 5, 6, 7. That completes the Suzy Q. Then we go into the grapevine, so we're going to step across on 1 for the grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On the 1, we're going to step across again to go into a flare. 1, 2, across the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. So in real time this combination should look like this. Suzy Q, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, into the flare, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With music, this combination is going to look a little bit like this. On 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 8. Forward and back.